empowering farmers through natural fiber composites, sustainable solutions for modern industries. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Natural fiber composites are a class of materials that combine natural fibers with a polymer matrix to create a composite material with unique properties. These composites aim to harness the strengths of natural fibers while addressing some of the limitations of traditional synthetic composites. The use of natural fibers in composites is not a new concept. In fact, people have been using natural fibers mixed with other materials for centuries. Previously, farmers had limited choices to earn, only edible and cash crops were grown and used. But nowadays, other plantations excluding cash crops offer a better alternative to earn their livelihood. The idea of combining two or more different materials resulting in a new material with improved properties has existed for ages. Fiber is a unit of matter characterized by flexibility, fineness, and a high ratio of length to thickness. Because fibers have a high surface-to-volume ratio, they can be extremely strong materials. The composite materials have the combined advantages of each individual material. For time immemorial, man has been using fibers along with a binder or matrix for stronger materials. The usage of plant fibers for strengthening and preventing bricks and pottery from cracking was practiced by the pharaohs of Egypt and the ancient Incan and Mayan civilizations. The natural fibers are used due to their low cost, high specific modulus, lightweight, lower energy requirement means less wear and tear in processing, wide availability, biodegradability, and resistance to deforestation. The use of natural fibers as a reinforcing agent in both thermoset and thermoplastic polymer composites gained inroads from automotive, aerodynamic, to biomedical engineering materials. The main mechanical properties of natural fiber, while selecting the crop or plantation, will be flexural strength, compressive strength, tensile strength, and moisture absorption of the fiber. Biopolymers could be another frontier for natural fibers for their vast variety available in plants. In conclusion, natural fiber would be an excellent opportunity for small farmers to set up natural fiber composites factories in their villages and surrounding areas, just to create new composite components to cater to the needs of different industries like construction, automobile, etc., instead of making a new composite material. Introduction. In the textile industry, fibers are essential materials used to make fabrics and other products. These fibers can be natural or synthetic. Natural fibers come from plants or animals, making them eco-friendly, biodegradable, and renewable. Plant-based natural fibers are especially promising as sustainable alternatives to synthetic ones, offering benefits like being lightweight, strong, affordable, and easy to process. They are also often made from agricultural waste that would otherwise be burned. These fibers vary in quality depending on how they're produced and what materials they're mixed with. They are mainly classified into three types: seed hair fibers, like cotton, bast fibers, like flax, and leaf fibers, like sisal. However, their performance can change depending on environmental conditions and how they are used. Because of their many advantages, natural fibers are becoming more popular in creating eco-friendly composite materials in various industries. Conclusion. Natural plant fibers and agricultural waste like rice husk and paddy straw are being explored as eco-friendly alternatives for making materials like bricks and composites. While plant fibers have some drawbacks like absorbing water, special treatments can improve their use in plastic and cement materials. Rice husk and paddy straw, when processed and treated, can be used to make strong, durable bricks. This not only reduces pollution from burning waste but also creates new opportunities for farmers to make useful building materials locally, helping the environment and boosting rural economies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.